Rock?
Yeah.
That's a nice rock.
Yeah.
Let's find some different type of rocks. And maybe some leaves. And maybe some sticks.
Here.
Let me see that stick. Wow, that's a nice stick. That used to be part of the tree, right?
And I found a nut from the squirrel.
Let me see. What is that?
A
You know
nut.
what that's called?
A nut.
It's called a
Nut.
acorn.
Acorn.
Yeah, remember?
Yeah.
All right. What else can we find? Can you find something else?
These are for the squirrels.
Yeah, give it back to the squirrels.
Yeah.
Can we find something else different?
Yeah.
Find something else that's different. Oh, all right. There's two different rocks there. Let me see.
I found 2 rocks.
Let me see them. Oh, wow, cool. They are different. All right, give it back to nature.
I want to throw it.
Go ahead, throw it.
So the monster can trip.
Mm-hmm.
The monster can trip when it goes.
Okay, go ahead.